Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy Incorporated stock? In this video, we're diving deep into MicroStrategy Incorporated. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 1st of April, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 1st of April 2025, our system has ranked MicroStrategy Incorporated as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.32. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations. However, it currently shows no change, reflecting a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, and further declines within this trend are anticipated. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 18.58% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -43.94% to -10.75%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 87.73%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 57.19% to 247.90% over the next year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price ranging between $481.02 and $1,064.64. Our latest daily update for MicroStrategy Incorporated features the headline, MicroStrategy Incorporated stock price up more than 6.16% on Tuesday. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock price gained 6.16% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 1st of April, 2025. The price rose from $288.27 to $306.02. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 9.60%, with a low of $280.65 and a high of $307.60. This price activity has shown volatility, and there has been an 8.06% gain over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price rise, indicating a positive technical signal. In total, 2 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 17 million shares exchanged for approximately $5.10 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $543, while the lowest price was $101. Currently, the stock price is 43.64%, or $236.98, below the 52-week high of $543, which also stands as the all-time high for this stock. MicroStrategy stock has faced significant scrutiny following an announcement by a Wall Street analyst recommending that investors sell the stock. This caution stems from the company's aggressive strategy of selling equity and debt securities to fund additional Bitcoin purchases, a plan that some believe may be nearing its limits. Despite the company being a prominent proxy for Bitcoin, its reliance on the cryptocurrency's market performance raises concerns about inherent volatility. In the short term, this bearish outlook could pressure MicroStrategy's stock price as investor sentiment shifts, especially given its recent decline alongside other tech and cryptocurrency stocks. Moreover, MicroStrategy's transformation into a Bitcoin proxy means that any advice against the stock also indirectly reflects on Bitcoin's long-term prospects. The company's heavy Bitcoin involvement enhances risks, particularly in a fluctuating market environment marked by inflation concerns and possible economic recession. As we've seen, while MicroStrategy has enjoyed explosive growth, its future remains closely tied to Bitcoin's price trajectory, making it a risky investment. Investors should remain cautious as shifts in market dynamics could significantly impact both MicroStrategy and broader cryptocurrency valuations in the coming months. Analyst ratings. On Monday of the 10th of March 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned MSTR an overweight grade with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 29th of January 2025, it was reported that Compass Point assigned MSTR a buy grade with an initiate recommendation. On Wednesday, the 20th of November 2024, it was reported that BTIG assigned MSTR a buy grade with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 21st of October 2024, it was reported that BTIG assigned MSTR a buy grade with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 18th of October 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned MSTR a buy grade with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy Incorporated. MicroStrategy Incorporated's stock currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this results in an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. In the event of further gains, the stock may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $316.45. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will likely find support from the long-term average at around $295.12. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has been noted from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indication. However, there are some negative signals that could impact the near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 25, 2025, and since then, it has declined by 10.47%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 26 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 8 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 24 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroStrategy Incorporated. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $250.92 and $250.51. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support. In this instance, MicroStrategy Incorporated finds support just below today's level at $250.92. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $250.51 and $239.27. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. And with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $26.95 between its high and low, or 9.6%. For the previous week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 7.98%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated, let's briefly discuss some fundamental data that is important to understand. First, let's look at the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This significant ratio assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and could raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In related news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of May, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy Incorporated is at $308.55. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, MicroStrategy Incorporated encounters its first support level at $250.92. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroStrategy Incorporated from multiple analyst sources is sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Leslie J. Richan, who bought and sold 34,800 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 12.96. Overall, insiders purchased 323,097 shares and sold 441,226 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $288.39, reflecting a decrease of 5.76%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which indicates a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 5 days ago. Is MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a good buy? MicroStrategy Incorporated shows several positive indicators, but they are not sufficient for us to recommend it as a buy at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning investors may consider holding or accumulating shares while waiting for further developments. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since our last evaluation, changing it from a sell to a hold or accumulate recommendation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 2nd of April, we anticipate MicroStrategy Incorporated will open lower by $7.93, beginning trading at $298.09. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with regards from all of us here at StockInvest.